Pound dollar, what an amazing trade we had. What a beautiful trade on pound dollar this morning. We had this beautiful short trade, guys. Here we have taken the short trade here, price nicely broken. We have a bearish engulfing candle. We have taken all this pullback, bank amazing profit. Once the price hit to the profit target, we also had a long trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze all these entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. Hello traders, let me ask you one question. Let's say if you want to develop your trading skill, or if you want to learn forex trading skill, and I give you two options, and let me know which option do you think is more suitable. You can give me your feedback in the video comment section. Number one, let's say I can give you all the training material and I can show you all of my trading result, verified result. Or second is I'm going to say, come on, watch me live in real time, how I analyze the market, and you can practice it in real time and you can get the feedback in real time, whether you are doing perfectly good or whether you are need some more training, right? So which option do you think is more suitable for you to learn and develop a trading skill? You can give me your feedback in the video description. All right, so today was the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday. As always, most of my traders had bank amazing profit at the London morning session. Just before half an hour, they already banked 100 plus pips, and I said to my trader, just enjoy it, relax rest of the day, because today we had a NFP news. Let me share with you how I analyze market and help my traders to squeeze those amazing pips. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Okay, so look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, this morning we already had the short trade yesterday. This morning we had short trade once the price broken the recent low, and we have this bearish engulfing candle. We had an amazing breakout short trade this morning and bank amazing profit, and we also had a counter long trade here. And at the New York session, we were still looking a long trade here. So moving forward, if the price gonna stay above this level, so we're expecting reversal. We'll see next week, guys. But let me share with you guys how I analyze and bank amazing profit on Euro USD. If you look at the Euro USD intraday analysis, okay, let me share with you guys. If you see this one, okay, so this is the analysis at the London morning session, which is this is the breakout. As you can see here in 4-hour, this is the breakout. In 4-hour, that was a pretty straightforward. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, I said to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade. Once we bank some profit target hit, then we explained to my trader, let's wait, let the market develop another structure or price action, and then we will see where it's gonna heading. So we have another price develop another symmetric triangle pattern, but within this symmetric triangle pattern, what we are looking into it, you can see here price develop a low and high. That's the important thing is, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna break and then take a long trade ahead, you can see here price broken, and after the breakout price retest give us the confirmation, momentum bullish, bingo. So we said to guys, keep taking a pullbacks, and I'm helping this journey out, doing small analysis to help my trader just keep taking. You can see here, keep taking a pullback, banking some. Once the price target hit to the profit, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the another price action. So once we bank some profit, and I explain my trader, let the dust settle down, because NFP news was about to release. After the news release, after the half an hour, I explained my trader, look for this breakout, which is pretty straightforward. You can see here that's the news reaction. So once the price broken, we had a sort of confirmation in 4-hour, beautiful breakout and pullback long trade here. And after that, as you can see here again, once the price impulsively moved down, and said to my trader, we're going to trade what we see it. And that's what I explained. These are the point of interest. Why these are the point of interest? That sort of training we give our traders. So guys, if the price gonna break one of these levels, then we should be taking a trade accordingly, because the price was at this resistance level. So we can see here price nicely broken and beautiful, another pullback, nice. As soon as the price hit to this level, explain my traders time to enjoy some profit. What a beautiful long trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, what an amazing trade we had. What a beautiful trade on pound dollar this morning. we had this beautiful short trade, guys. Here we have taken the short trade here, price nicely broken. We have a bearish engulfing candle. We have taken all this pullback, bank amazing profit. Once the price hit to the profit target, we also had a long trade here. Let me share with you how I analyze all these entries and exit and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. Let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. And if you look at the intraday analysis, let me share with you here. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Amazing pips. Okay, so you can see here at the London morning session, as mentioned, as explained to my trader, look here, look for this breakout. So we are only looking short because we at that time we had this bearish engulfing candle, price broke on this resistance level, and that was a beautiful breakout. As mentioned, my trader, another pullback. I said, guys, keep taking a pullback. So we have this breakout, then I announce another one, keep taking a pullback. As soon as the price hit to the final target, and if you look at in the 4-hour, you can see here price hitting to the major support level. And that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if you can get another pullback. And after banking some profit, wait for another price action, explain to look for another breakout, which is price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain my trader, there is a possibility because the price was at the major support level. I said to my trader, either you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. That's what we announced through live audio commentary. So once we bank few more PPs, and after that, as I did update, as soon as the price reversed, I updated that analysis instantly. As you can see here, that was the beautiful explained. These are the point of interest. If the price gonna break one of these one, and just keep taking a pullback. So you can see here price broken, and after the breakout, price develop pullback. That's another we announced through live audio commentary. And after that, recommend to my trader, just keep taking a pullback unless the price gonna hit this level again. So we can see here pullback, pullback, pullback. Traders really enjoyed it, both long and short, bank amazing profit, and say, guys, let's wait for the NFP news to release. And after that news release, we have another pullback and long trade here. That's again, and after that at the New York session again, as you can see here, after the news, price impulsively move, and I said to guys, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. So again, point of interest, this is the recent low is broken. So in order for us, if the price gonna break long here, or if the price gonna break this level which is previously broken, then short trade here. Momentum was bullish, as you can see here, price nicely broken. As explained my trader, now we have another beautiful breakout long trade here. After the breakout, price another retest here, another retest here. I said to my trader, keep taking unless the price gonna hit the previous high. So you can see here what amazing trades on pound dollar, both long and short. We really enjoyed it. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had amazing trade, guys. So you can see here this morning, when the price was about to break, we had to take a long trade here, and once we banked some profit, when the price reversed, I said to my trader, just wait for the NFP news, and after that we had such a nice beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you the analysis. That was a beautiful trades on dollar CAD too. And if you look at this morning, you can see here, as you can see here, this is this morning, as you can see, around 8 o'clock London morning session, beautiful pullback, two pullback long trade here. Once we bank some few PPs, after that I said to my trader, price came back, so let's wait. So technically we're looking this breakout, let's wait for the market. We have this breakout. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, and explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another price action. So after that, you can see here price develop another pattern. Once the price develop, and I explained to my trader, look here, price is respecting this major resistance. If the price gonna respect this level, so probably we will have a in head and shoulder pattern, and expecting a nice short trade here. As you can see, based on the analysis, that's what we're watching live. As soon as the price respected, I said to guys, look for this breakout we're expecting. And if you look at here, this is the rising wedge pattern is developed, head and shoulder pattern, price broken, a retest, beautiful short trade, amazing trade. We want to see the price hit this level, bank some profit, and say look for another pullback. After banking some profit, look for another pullback. That's what I did, another analysis instantly, as you can see here. That was the beautiful pullback short trade here, another beautiful. And as soon as the price sort of developing a consolidation, I said to my trader, manage your trade profit and enjoy your trading day and enjoy your weekend. So we had an amazing trade, guys, as you can see here, a blessing Friday, blessing trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train trader with the live market every single day through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.